More news coming in. This has got to do with a meeting between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and National Security Advisor Ajit Doval. This meeting went on for around 50 minutes is what we are learning. We told you about this meeting that is taking place. Piyush has got more. Piyush, what are you picking up from your sources? Of course, meetings like these after Operation Sindoor also but expected, isn't it, to give an idea to the Prime Minister on the current ground situation?
Well, absolutely, Sneha. We know as to how the tensions are rising at LOC, and amidst this, the meeting between PM Narendra Modi and National Security Advisor Ajit Doval is very important. What we are now told is that the meeting has come to an end. The meeting went on for around 50 minutes. Ajit Doval, sources are suggesting that he has briefed Prime Minister about the current developments those are there at the border. Remember that Pakistan has also vowed, that it will escalate the things. Remember that Pakistan's threat is coming at a time when India has successfully completed Operation Sindoor, where it has hit the targets where it was required, where it has hit the targets where terrorist camps were there, where terrorists were taking training. And in fact, we have also made it very clear that no civilian or military facility has been targeted. But despite that, we are seeing how Pakistan continues to give some threats. And amidst all these things, all the developments, this meeting is very crucial, which took place between NSA Ajit Doval and PM Narendra Modi. In this meeting, according to reports, went on for around 50 minutes.
Piyush, be with us. I'm just going to come back to you in a moment to tell our viewers, and this is an update that we have with us. Piyush, I'd like you to tell us a little more about this, with the Home Secretary now reaching the Prime Minister's residence as we speak, after the National Security Advisor, the Home Secretary, at the Prime Minister's house to brief the press, to brief the Prime Minister as we speak. Piyush?
Certainly, a couple of minutes back itself, Sneha, Home Secretary R.K. Singh had also reached at the residence of PM Narendra Modi, and what we are now learning is that this meeting is coming in the wake of developments those are going on there at the border. Remember that late last night, a meeting between BSF DG and PM Narendra Modi had also taken place. After this, now Home Secretary is also here to meet Prime Minister. Certainly, he would be apprising Prime Minister about the current situation there at the border. We are already in the information of heavy shelling and ceasefire violations. Those are being done by Pakistan, though we are also responding back and giving befitting reply to Pakistan. But yes, amidst all the developments, these meetings, those are taking place at Prime Minister's residence, hold a lot of severity. Remember that NSA Ajit Doval met with PM Narendra Modi, and after which what we are now learning is that Home Secretary R.K. Singh is also here at 7 Lok Kalyan Marg, where most likely he is briefing about the current situation. Those are there.
All right, Piyush, getting us those details. I'm going to leave it at for the moment. The National Security Advisor Ajit Doval meeting Prime Minister Modi at his residence. The Home Secretary is also there, is what we're learning at this point in time.